Hey, what's up traders, the FX Hunter here, and this is the update for the Euro USD trade which I am waiting for. So, first of all, why I am bearish, what makes me to think this is bearish? Well, basically order flow, the COT data. So what we can see in here is basically that the banks has started to reduce their longs positions, right? So we can see they actually closed in the latest couple of weeks, in the latest month, from the 228 to the 192, right? And we can see what they're doing with their shorts is that they basically building their shorts, right? So that move down is definitely the bearish move, not the correction, right? If it was correction, that would look a bit different. It would look like something like a profit taking, like it was here, right? So I will show you. They had 266k longs, then they started to drop it, but we can see they didn't do anything with their shorts positions, right? So what happened then? They started to build the longs again to the quite heavy one, right? And the shorts still nothing. Yes, they start to grow a little bit, but not that much. So we can see it in here as the positions actually decreasing on the long side and they increasing on the short side, right? So right now let's go to the chart. So what we can see in here, the price has reacted in this monthly level, which was in here. It's actually the second one. There is a one which was here on the top, right? So here is the monthly level. Here was definitely the weekly and the daily. It was some trade which I was posting in the past, so I can bring it here. So here's the weekly level, and here is exactly the daily level where it reacted, right? And where we went from? So we went from the monthly back down to the monthly, right now we having some correction in here, and as we know, we can see that the banks are building their shorts positions, so they will most likely not go too much high, right? Anyway, let me hide all this, and why I want to enter in here. Well, look at this. So we know that they are bearish, but look what the retail is doing. Retail is bearish as well. We can see 82% retail traders are in the shorts. They trapped in here. So basically the banks are taking the price up to where? To the liquidity of those sellers. And where will be a lot of liquidity? Definitely above these two highs, right? Here will be a lot of stop losses, because those, if they have average entry price in here, where they put stop losses? Above latest swing highs, which is here and here. Maybe some can be even in here, but I don't think they will go so much high. If they already buildings these short positions, they would have to go too much to the drawdown, and they don't like this, right? So that's why I'm waiting in here. And what as well makes me this confluence is as well basically this channel looks good for me, right, which I have connected in here and in here, right? So I'm thinking that once the retail stop losses will be taken out in here, then we can expect some move down, right? So that could looks like some fake out, then we could look for the strong bearish candle pullback and then down. I have two targets in here. This is, of course, you can see 0.01, but that's the master account for the signal, so the traders knows the risk. There is actually two trades, and I have on my other account with the bigger lots, of course. And yeah, so by using my trading app, I simply placed this trade. It's waiting in here and waiting above this. So of course my trading app can help you to find these highs low. So this is where we can see is the liquidity. And as well, if we bring these order blocks, these institutional levels, and I can hide this one, so we can see here is a lot of levels in here, right? So I think it can go higher in these levels, and then the price can start to drop down, right? So I want to enter in here because I don't want to miss a trade, right? So we will see how it will react in here. If I'm stopped out, well, that's a part of the game. It can happen. If I'm stopped out, I will be selling from the higher prices with the, of course, the bigger stop loss, so I can cover my loss and make the profit, right? So definitely looking bearish for me. If we look as well to the dollar, look at what is happening on the dollar. They did not have, let me change the color. they actually did not have much long positions in here. They actually did not have much long positions in here, and right now look, from 15k to the 27, look what happening with the shorts on the dollar, from the 30k dropping to the 23, right? So dollar getting bullish, euro getting bearish. That means euro USD is bearish, and it's good to sell the pullbacks, right? As well, if you bring the Fibo actually in here, you can see we are already around 50% Fibo right now. So here is like a 70% and 62%. Here is the zone where we should be looking for the shorts with the bigger targets. All right, my friends, have a great trading week. Bye bye.